Understanding Bank Operations, a Glimpse into the Financial Powerhouses. By Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist. Banks are instrumental pillars of the global financial ecosystem. Their intricate workings and multifaceted revenue streams can often appear enigmatic to the layperson. Let's delve into the inner mechanisms of banks and uncover their primary income sources. The magic of interest rate spread. At the heart of banking lies the principle of borrowing at one rate and lending at another, higher rate. This difference, termed the interest rate spread, is a primary income stream for banks. The multifaceted world of fees. Beyond interest, banks charge patrons for a plethora of services. These range from basic account maintenance and transfers to specialized services like financial advisory or asset management. Navigating the mortgage landscape. Mortgages are more than lending money for homes. Banks earn through the origination and servicing of these loans, overseeing everything from processing to monthly payment collection. Traders and the high-stakes arena. Banks operate trading desks, dealing in diverse financial instruments. These desks are profit centers, earning through the agile buying and selling of stocks, bonds, and more. The art of investment banking. Many corporate giants turn to banks when raising capital. Whether issuing stocks or bonds, banks play a pivotal role and earn handsomely in underwriting and advisory capacities. Managing wealth, earning trust. Asset management is an intricate dance of strategizing investments for clients. Banks, in return for their expertise, earn a fee based on the managed asset's value. Securitization, the art of bundling. By turning loans into securities for sale to investors, banks not only manage risk but also carve out a profit through securitization fees. Digital innovations in banking. The modern bank isn't confined to brick and mortar. Digital channels and fintech products are rapidly emerging as revenue sources. Masters of foreign exchange. Currency conversion, be it for the globe-trotting traveler or for macro-level forex operations, is yet another income avenue for banks. Beyond banking, additional services. From the safety of deposit boxes to other niche services, banks continuously innovate to serve varied customer needs. While these revenue streams highlight the earning potential of banks, it's paramount to acknowledge their substantial operational costs. From paying staff to adhering to stringent regulations, banks operate within thin margins of error. They're tasked with not just profitability but also with ensuring fiscal stability and consumer protection.